Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be going ahead and showing you guys how you can use your nail tips again, which makes them reusable and quick and easy, and it's just a really simple way on how to do it without having to buy new tips, because I know these tips are really expensive. I seen them on Amazon for about $10 for just 100 pieces, so definitely not worth that much for just tips. So here I'm just going to go ahead and quickly show you guys how you guys can use them and reuse them. Here you guys can see that I do have one already put on right here. So let me just go ahead and show you guys how to do it. So you'll be needing these nail adhesive tips that are used to make press-on nails. I got them for like $1 or so on AliExpress. I'll leave the link down below where you guys can purchase these as well. So yeah, these are used to make press-ons and they're really convenient for this. So this is one of the things that you'll be needing. So I got a 10-pack of these for just $1.34 or $1.50. I'll leave a link down below as well so you guys can purchase these. Then you'll be needing some nail tips. These I got them also from AliExpress. I only have a few of them left because I used a lot of them to practice and all that. They're pretty much full coverage tips. They're like to make press-ons, but I really didn't like these, so I just decided to use them for practicing. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below where you guys can find them. They're long stiletto tips and they're really good. And they fit really good on this practice hand, which is really amazing about that. So here I'm pretty much just trying to find something that fits my nails. Like I said, I don't have all the nails that I got before since I used most of them, so I'm just trying to figure out which one to use. And finally I found one, and this one I think fits really good according to the fake nail that we have on the practice hand here, as you guys can see that. So now we're going to go ahead and grab our nail tip and we're going to measure it according to size and see which one fits best. Once you've got that, go ahead and pull the little tab from the adhesive, and now you're simply going to go ahead and press it onto the practice hands nail. And we're just going to go ahead and gently place that over the nail, and make sure you firmly are grabbing onto the tab. Do not touch the adhesive or it will actually stick onto your finger and it'll just be ruined by then. So then you guys can see here it has actually done its job. So once that, you're going to go ahead and be able to see this tab, and before you pull it, make sure you firmly press onto the little thing onto the nail just for about like 5 seconds or so. Then you're going to go ahead and grab the tab and you're just going to go ahead and gently pull it off. And now it's only the adhesive is there. Then we're just going to go ahead and grab our nail tip here, and we're simply going to go ahead and place it onto the nail tip. Okay, so once you place it, make sure you firmly hold for about 5 seconds or 10 seconds or so, just to make sure it has really adhered to the plastic nail tip right there. So they're very durable actually, you guys can see. That obviously adding too much pressure would add this to pop off, but other than that it's really firm. Yeah, I'll leave a link down below where you grab these on AliExpress and these. So yeah, definitely better than having to buy a lot of these. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully this tip was very helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any more requests or any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.